Alright, today we're going to do a quick video on changing brake pads on a 2008 Honda Foreman. I didn't see anything directly related to it online, so I thought I'd just throw something up real quick. It's super easy, so I'm sure you probably don't even need a video. First, obviously, take tires off. Used a big old jack and put a cinder block underneath it as a precaution. I know it's incredibly dirty under here. We just went riding and it will be cleaned after this. So, brake pads, you have top bolt, bottom bolt. I have already loosened these guys. It was fairly painless. Take this guy out. This guy down here, I used these because this is what I had, but there's a nut right here that it attaches to, and so I just locked this guy on there to back him out. Made that super easy. Once he's backed out, this comes off. You can see that's pretty dirty. We'll use our C-clamp to compress that back down. Have brake pads in here. Honestly, they're not as bad as I've seen them in the past. If you look at them, you know, they still have some pad on. They're not too terrible. But we did the other side, so we're going to go ahead and do this side as well. I'm doing this one-handed, so bear with me. Knock some of this dirt off and grab the other pads and continue just a second. Alright, here's our new pads. Good old made in China. Guaranteed to last you 2 or 3 rides or your money back. Pads. Gonna pop these guys in here. Again, one-handed, apologize. And we got to C-clamp this guy. I recommend using nice old nasty brake pad to do that. Let me get that set up and film as much as I can one-handed. Alright, I can't really film it too good, so I'm going to knock it out, but I want to show you. Use brake pad, old brake pad. I got a little, where's he at? There he is. Little friend down there waving, saying hey. Got the brake pad on here, and the only C-clamp I had is this nasty old huge rusted one, but it C-clamps just like any other C-clamp. So let me get that compressed real quick. Alrighty, so he has been C-clamped. He is compressed back in. Let's make sure he can get back on okay. Yep. We will put these guys in. I'm not watching a camera, I'm watching what I'm doing, so it's not working out too well. Again, remember this guy screws into this guy, so you might can do it by hand, but it's going to start turning, and that's when I will come put this guy on and tighten those two. Let me tighten them down real quick. Alright, they're in, and again, just a reminder, this is a 12 millimeter. These are both 12s, so really that and something to grab onto this guy right here and play with your little spider buddy is all you really need to work on this guy. Let me get the wheels put on and we'll test it out. Super handy to have big ass floor jack. And brakes are done. Now we can check it off the list. Get on to the next thing we need to do on it. Thanks for watching.